Sir Polly is on the mic. If you've never been to Westham Island, here's the thing you need to know. It's very fertile land, but it's also low, very low.
Yeah, we're right at sea level. I mean, this Westham Island is diked.
Farmers have always had to deal with unpredictability from year to year. Lydia grew up farming. She's now on year 9 of her own small-scale vegetable farm with laying hens. But climate change will exacerbate an issue farmers in the Delta are already dealing with. Where the Fraser meets the Pacific, the salty ocean water carries up into the lower Fraser as the tides shift. It's called salt wedging.
Out here we use the Fraser River to irrigate our crops, and depending on the year, depending on the snowpack, the issue is it can become too salty. Once the snowpack has melted and the Fraser River has slowed in terms of flow, then the salt water creeps up the Fraser, and so it can be July, it can be August. So we are still irrigating that time of the year, and so we have salinity monitors, and we're monitoring the ditch and figuring out when we can bring Fraser River water in and when we can't.
I'll let Emily McNair take it from here. She runs the Climate Action Initiative, a group that works with the BC Agricultural Council and some of the province's 20,000 farms to help them figure out ways to adapt to climate change.
What is expected with climate change as the sea levels rise is that wedge will push further up the river, so the geographic extent of that salty area will change. The river levels affect how salty the water in the river is, and the big concern with climate change is the combined effect of the salt wedge pushing further up the river at times of year when there also is a lower flow, and these two things are both expected to be shifting. So with climate change we will have lower stream flows, in particular sort of later in the summer, earlier in the fall, and then we may have, with sea level rise, this salt wedge pushing further up the Fraser, and this effect